Breakaway headers normally come in 40 pin lengths, and you'll need to break them down to be able to use them in your projects. Typically you'll be breaking them down into 6 pin, 8 pin, 10 pin or whatever. So we've developed this tool to help you do this. To take a standard breakaway header and break it down into 10 ways, for example, you just align the pin up with the number 10 on the tool, drop it into the holes, and then either using your fingers or a long nose pair of pliers, just bend and snap. Now there's a 10 pin header. And you can very quickly get a rhythm going where you're generating lots and lots of 10 pin headers quickly after each other. You can use the tool for anything from 1 pin to all the way up to 16 pins. So you can see that we've marked the 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 and 16 out on the silk screen, but the holes in between are obviously the 3, 5, 7, 9 pins. So for example, I'm just going to make a 9 pin header here, do it using exactly the same technique. It'll do any type of headers. The standard breakaway headers that we do, also these long pin headers, can be broken in exactly the same way. If you've got different colours of headers, that's no problem too. Also does green ones. If you wanted to do 90 way headers, simply turn the tool over. Align the pins up to the number of ways that you want to break off. Using one of those pliers again, just snap it up, and now you've broken your 90 way headers into an 8 pin version.
Awesome.